Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency is? Well, let's dive right in. Imagine your traditional money, the kind you hold in your hands, the kind that's printed by the government. Now take that concept and move it into the digital world. That's essentially what cryptocurrency is. It's a type of currency, but instead of being tangible, it's completely digital or virtual. You might ask, if it's digital, how is it secure? That's where cryptography comes in. Cryptography is a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format. This unreadable format can only be reverted to its original form with a specific key. In the context of cryptocurrency, cryptography is used to secure transactions and control the creation of new coins. So, in essence, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. It's like your traditional money, but with a digital twist and enhanced security measures. Now that we know what cryptocurrency is, how does it actually work? Well, the magic of cryptocurrency lies in a technology known as blockchain. A blockchain is like a public ledger, only it's digital and decentralized. Each transaction made with a cryptocurrency is recorded on this blockchain, forming a chain of blocks, hence the name. This chain is transparent and can't be altered, ensuring the security of transactions. Imagine it like this. If a traditional bank ledger is like a single notebook kept by one person, then a blockchain is like a whole library of books, with each book being written by a different person. And just like a library, anyone can check these books at any time, ensuring transparency. Now you may wonder who's responsible for verifying these transactions and adding them to the blockchain. This is where a network of computers, known as nodes, comes into play. These nodes, spread across the globe, work together to confirm the details of each transaction. They check if the person making the transaction owns enough of the cryptocurrency to carry it out. Once a node verifies a transaction, it adds it to a block. When enough transactions have been added to a block, it is added to the chain, and voila, that's a completed transaction on the blockchain. But wait, there's more. There's a process called mining. Remember those nodes we talked about? Some of them are miners. These miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first one to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block to the blockchain and is rewarded with a little bit of cryptocurrency. This is how new coins are introduced into the system. Therefore, the use of blockchain technology and the process of mining are fundamental to the functioning of cryptocurrencies. These elements ensure that transactions are secure, transparent, and cannot be tampered with. So while it may seem complicated, the system is designed to be secure and trustworthy, making cryptocurrency a fascinating frontier in the world of finance. You might be wondering, are all cryptocurrencies the same? Well, not quite. Let's dig a bit deeper into some of the popular ones. First, we have Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies. It's digital gold, a store of value designed to be a secure and decentralized form of currency. Next, we have Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily a currency, Ethereum is a platform that facilitates peer-to-peer contracts and applications via its own currency, Ether. Then comes Litecoin, often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It's a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant, near-zero cost payments to anyone in the world. Its main difference from Bitcoin is its speed. Litecoin transactions are processed 4 times faster. While Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are some of the popular cryptocurrencies, there are thousands of them available in the market, each with unique features. So as you dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, remember, they're not all created equal. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of using cryptocurrency? Let's start with the benefits. Cryptocurrencies offer decentralization, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or financial institution. This allows for a level of freedom not seen in traditional financial systems. Next, we have privacy. Transactions made with cryptocurrencies can be anonymous, providing a layer of privacy that isn't always possible with conventional banking. And let's not forget the potential for high returns. The value of cryptocurrencies has seen some remarkable increases, offering substantial profits for those who invested early. But as with anything, there are also downsides. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, with values that can skyrocket or plummet in a matter of hours. They also lack regulation, which can lead to market manipulation and fraud. And unfortunately, cryptocurrencies are susceptible to hacking, leading to potential loss of investment. While cryptocurrencies offer numerous benefits, they also come with their own set of risks that one should be aware of. So, to summarize what we've learned about cryptocurrency, we began by defining cryptocurrency as a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. We dove into how it works, discovering that it operates on technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized system spread across many computers to record and manage transactions. We then explored some popular types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, each with its unique features and uses. Lastly, we weighed the pros and cons of cryptocurrency. On one hand, we have the benefits of low transaction fees, increased privacy, and potential for high returns. On the other, we acknowledge the risks of price volatility, potential for misuse, and the lack of regulation. Remember, every new venture comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. Understanding cryptocurrency can seem daunting at first, but with a basic grasp of its working, you're well on your way to navigating the exciting world of digital money.